This brand is from Heat Controller, which is a part of Mars. All of the units use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and have built-in condensate removal so that the need to dump a condensate bucket is minimized. They have auto swing louvers for improved air circulation throughout the room, but only a standard mesh washable filter, which does not do much to improve the air quality in the room. The units use only a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. The units have a 52 decibel sound rating, which is above a refrigerator hum but less than normal conversation, and efficiencies of 9 EER. The PSH141D model is a heat pump with a 9.89 EER efficiency and a sound rating of 53.5 decibels. The G-series units are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled from a smartphone. The warranty for the brand is minimal when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.